know ponies what you guys. So for today's video, it's from the house of Tree Hut. To be frank, it's really 6 new scent. Not for this month, however, there is 6 new one. Out of the 6, I have 3. The other 3 I don't have, but plan to get is the Dewy Daisy, the Island Breeze, and the Passion Fruit Sol. But for now, I have the Rainbow Sherbet, Dragon Fruit, and Sunkissed Poppy. And I purchased these 3 from Target, because in Target it's for $7.99, which is cheaper than getting it from Ulta, because Ulta has it for $10.49. Although if you spend $35 or more, you get free shipping. But I was like, I never really said nothing else. So I'm gonna just bring it up. We go over the 35 and then wait, and then acid and cold fat. Let's get right into it. You're new to the channel, welcome back to everything Empo. Empo, my dear man. Alright, so I'm gonna start off with the Rainbow Sherbet. Online, online it looks yellow, but it's really a shocking color green, or you can call it a lime green, which lime green would be fitting because in fact it's a lime, and for me I would call this a zesty fresh. It has note of turkey, lime, yummy lemon, and sweet sugar. Again, I always say that when you come on to scrubs, tea tree in my top 3. It is so good from the scent to the way it feels. It just really get rid of the dead skin off my skin. I love it. All right, sometimes some of them oily, sometimes some thick, sometimes a little, it varies. All right, and this smells just like a zesty yet fresh things lime. I think I want to compare it with, I think I have one, is it lime something? I have a next lime based one. I compared it to, I see if it's a revamp. So may I put note to that. Then the next one we have dragon fruit, and this is your fruity. It has notes of fresh dragon fruit, juicy pineapple, and sweet peaches. If you know how dragon fruit smell, and this in fact is the, how color dragon fruit, the purple one, right? You know, you have purple, you have the yellow. And this, if you don't know, you look for a detox, you look a natural way for detox. You feel like a little belly too, I good girl, and you want to clean out your belly, you understand? And look, you want to take a 2 pounds, you just eat the fruit itself. Let me tell you something, clean your purge. You're going to the bathroom, you can't get up, but it smells just like a nice dragon fruit. For this one, I call this one a double scrub. Trim up the mic in my hand. I don't know if I can see. Look, so look a black seed one. It's the same way all the watermelon is like it have the seeds. So the same seed that is in the dragon fruit itself. It mimics that. If you can see through the container. So it's a double scrub. So you have the sugar refined, and then you have that. So these one I like them. Consider them a double scrub. And then last but not least is the Sunkissed Poppy, which is your floral. Ooh, I am in love. So good. So good. So for the Sunkissed Poppy, it have notes of freshly picked clementines, white lily, and a hint of amber. Oh God, the amber were in it. So I first smell this, me even run go up to it and say, if I can't come down. Because if I talk about it, most I don't want to understand. Anytime girl get excited, the native tongue. Yes, yeah, Jamaican, you understand? Oh no, I don't mind about the English now. Look, me get excited. Work with me now? But yes, this immediately from Victoria's Secret pink, the cotton poppy pink. It's like the cotton poppy pink meet Bath and Body Work. This I'm a backup. Can you believe anytime oil touch it, it stripped down like this? So this is the backup my poppy. So it's this. It's like this and this. Like somebody over there say, no man, this and this together, and give them this. Legit. So you can imagine you take a little shower with this, and then this, and no, you can't talk to me. You can't talk to me for the spring. I mean, spring. I mean, floral. I mean, girl, why you have to come out blooming? Yeah, I'm supposed to. Why not? Man, bright. Merry New Year. I have risen. I was in the dark. You planted me, but you never know. So I'm gonna grow, and y'all grow. Anyway, that completes it for today. But if you see that target, go and go pick it up. This don't pass this too. That one here, the Sunkissed. Look, come here. Don't go like you see it, you know. Sunkissed Poppy, yes. Yes, and yes. So that's it for today video. I'm gonna draw it out no more. So until next time, the next time something there, that video because something there, become a nice clean self, and thank you guys for the continuous support. Don't forget if I'm not suggestion about nothing, a look at comment section, something there. Or you can't type in it and tell me, girl brain dep on a little, I don't know. You can type one or two something there, say girl. Want to look at something, yeah, alright.